Hey guys, so today I just have a short video concerning the Yuxin little magic. So when I got this Yuxin little magic, I used it for some time, and it was pretty good, like normal Yuxin magic out of the box. But then one day I decided to look inside one of the pieces. So randomly, I took out this corner piece right here, and I was just looking inside of it, and then I found that. As you can see, there's a magnet inside of the corner piece. If you look at this as well, you can see you have magnets in that one corner piece. But if you take a different corner piece, such as this one, it doesn't have magnets. So my question to you is, if any of you guys know if this Yuxin Little Magic manufacturer error happened to you, because I did not make that myself. My Yuxin Little Magic just came like that. So if any of you guys have the same problem, comment down below. Anyway, I just wanted to show this to you guys, so thank you all for watching. I'll see you all next time. Bye.